Most crypto analysts and speculators think Ripple and its native asset XRP have a great future ahead of them, as this digital asset has gone even further to register record highs that are way above most of its peers. Even amidst the ongoing lawsuit, this digital asset has reported gains ranging towards 190% to the upside, within the spectrum of year-to-date profits, making it an even more attractive investment option for newer and existing cryptocurrency holders. Thus, it is expected of every XRP hodler to get acquainted with these several reasons why XRP is a better option for investing before investing in this coin or any other crypto. Stay tuned for more on Ripple and its native asset XRP. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. When you look at XRP, the first thing that comes to mind is its affordability compared to many other cryptocurrencies, especially ones with no specific use case yet and at an incredible high price value. Also adding to the fact that this cryptocurrency had existed long before most of these other cryptos, including Ethereum, which is like the second most influential cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. This is no surprise, as Vitalik Buterin, founder and creator of the Ethereum platform and its astounding smart contract functionality, was once an intern at Ripple. During the tenure of the software company's former chief technology officer, Stefan Tomas, who is also a current CEO and founder of Coil, a platform that introduces the idea of open standards such as interledger and web monetization, and a means for much quicker and cheaper payments that aren't tied to a particular payment provider or platform, and a member board of director to a host of other software companies around the San Francisco Bay Area. And even billionaire investor Steve Wynn thinks XRP is pretty cheap considering its many utilities. In a recent interview, Brad Garlinghouse, the current CEO of Ripple, had hinted that the number of collaborations Ripple enjoys as of present ranges between 100 to 200 partnerships with traditional financial institutions from around the world, indicating that Ripple is signing up more than a bank a week now. On that note, he points out another milestone for the company, where he cites the case of SEB, a Swedish financial conglomerate, completing a transaction of nearly $1 billion through one of Ripple's payment and settlement corridors, xCurrent. Unlike its other peers on the blockchain, the Ripple platform was not built to counter the ways of the old banking system. Instead, it was designed to be incorporated into the conventional banking system. XRP is one of the very few cryptos, if not the only cryptocurrency, created with the mindset to facilitate transactions on both sides. Hence the announcement by the United States government that they're possibly looking into a central bank-backed digital dollar, or CBDC, brings Ripple out to the light, because other central banks worldwide had earlier endorsed XRP as the perfect candidate for a bridge currency for all those cross-border payments, essentially bringing together all the world's central bank digital currencies together into a single platform under the umbrella of the Ripple network. In this present day and age, it is most unfortunate that most people still don't understand the concept of digital trading assets, which can take several forms ranging from currencies, securities, or commodities. This includes cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, or the issuance of a stock or bond on a distributed ledger technology platform within a centralized economy, like Nasdaq provides, or a decentralized ecosystem such as the one provisioned by Ripple. Similarly, the concept of buying the dip and selling high engenders buying these digital assets when their prices are down and selling them off when the cost is high, just as the current market provides. However, for this theory to materialize, there has to be a prolonged waiting period. Another aspect of investing that crypto and XRP investors need to become no stranger to is none other than the fact that even though trading is profitable and fun to deal with, hodling on to the longest is mostly even more worthwhile. It's a fact that correction happens all the time. Yet what is much more complicated is entering a bear cycle and all of the worst-case scenarios that come with it. You and I both have a couple of friends, colleagues, or neighbors and all who are wondering if now is a good time to buy into this digital currency, considering where the price is at right now. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a wrong move to always find ways to increase and stack up one's investment portfolio with more coins and rake in more profits. Likewise, I wouldn't say it's outrightly wrong for investors to hodl on and wait while incurring some losses in the short term along the line, but in the long run, registering some significant gains. On the aspect of an optimal entry point, there are only a few cryptocurrencies that are not fraught with these highly volatile rates, hence providing investors with the ability to enter into these markets and take part in trading or hodling these coins, even in such gloomy market conditions such as the one we currently find ourselves in. Some would even argue that given all of the partnerships and endorsements that Ripple is getting, it's enough reason to see the price of XRP hit above $100, and maybe even $1,000 for a single XRP token on the long run. Nonetheless, to see massive growth in the price of XRP, institutional money would have to flow into this crypto, which is some advantage that Bitcoin and even Ethereum enjoy right now. Even though the media makes it seem like no institution wants to get involved with the XRP cryptocurrency, considering the fintech startup's fallout with MoneyGram following the US-based blockchain company's lawsuit with the SEC, that's not really the case. Once this lawsuit settles, and if Ripple does win, as it seems from all indications, then there will be a very high chance that institutional money will flow into XRP. From what we hear so far, it looks like Ripple is in a powerful position, and all the indicators are pointing towards a victory for Ripple, with an almost negligible chance of Ripple or XRP getting liquidated by a court order. But allow me to go on a little bit of a tangent here. If you haven't heard already, the GSX coin offers investors the option to sign up for its competition to win various cash and other prizes, depending on your participation tier, where investors have the opportunity to enroll and win prizes in the following competitions like the $1 Million Supercar Competition, the Ultimate Referral Championship, and the Golden Millionaire Championship, which could earn them a Lamborghini and $1 million in gold and GSX, a Tesla Cybertruck, or a good amount of money in gold and GSX. You can sign up for as low as $50 worth of GSX to reserve a single ticket, and the more tickets you buy, the more chances you have of winning. You can find out more at www.gsxcurrency.com and be sure to check out the links in the video description for more. We could talk about how far this bull market will go all day long, but here's the thing, since XRP moves in tandem with the rest of the market, one thing is for sure. We will witness substantial gains, where a bubble forms at a way higher price margin than we've ever seen in the past. More so, it's essential to keep in mind that this could happen over a short period too, maybe over the span of a few weeks or so, after which we should expect to see an 80 to 90% pullback in prices. Depending on how high this thing goes, it's very likely that we'll not know these price actions that we saw over the last couple of months, the 20 to 30 cents per XRP again, or even 40-something cents per XRP. Others are of the mindset and do believe that XRP's price could go substantially higher. From our perspective, indeed, there could be a pullback to a level like the 20 cents or maybe 40 cents price margin. However, contrary to public opinion, a withdrawal like that is appealing rather than appalling. As stated by one of our favorite crypto analysts, Incredible Crypto, if XRP dips to these levels, we shouldn't miss out on buying in. But please be aware of this. If the price starts to go in that direction, it doesn't necessarily mean that the sky is falling. Instead, consider that as your best shot to get into a good investment so that you can cash out on some other lucky day. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. We'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.